Welcome to another quick unboxing. Let's see what we have here. This is a little bit strange, this packaging. I've never really received anything that's quite like this, so I don't know how to open it. I'm guessing this is the way to open it. I hope I don't destroy what's inside it by opening it wrong or incorrectly. That's a very strange way to package stuff. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, wow, I did not expect these to come in for quite some time, but I guess they came in early. These are supposed to be the screens for the Monoprice Mini Delta. Not Delta. I keep making that mistake because I have that other printer. Mini SLA, the resin printer. They came in very well packaged, and hopefully at least one of these isn't broken. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a hissy fit. And this already looks weird. I don't know. Anyway, hopefully, see you in the next video.